What's up, guys? Welcome to week 9 of the Haole vlog. Halloween is coming up, and we decided it'd be fun to do a Halloween themed vlog this week. So we're gonna go to some scary movies, we're gonna go pick some pumpkins, we're gonna go to a haunted house, we're gonna do a whole bunch of Halloween stuff. Alright, so it should be a fun week. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first Halloween thing we're gonna go do this week is we're gonna go see Goosebumps 2. You guys already know what Goosebumps is about, so I don't need to tell you that, but...
Happy spooky Halloween, guys. Okay, let's go.
But what if Halloween
It's locked.
came to life?
Hello, old friends.
What did you do?
Let's go.
Goosebumps Haunted Halloween.
What a great movie!
No, just got out of the movie, and it was a great show. It's so nostalgic. It was so spooky.
It was spooky but not scary, if that makes sense. I love fall.
Hashtag Halloween. Hashtag October. Hashtag pumpkin. Hashtag witches. Hashtag ghosts. Hashtag candy corn. Hashtag boo.
Okay, just cut to the next scene. We love Halloween.
Hey guys, welcome to our cooking show. So last night we went to Target and we got all the ingredients, and so today we're gonna make like mudslide. Basically, it's graveyard dirt cups. Here we go. I'm making instant pudding right now. This is just chocolate pudding. Okay, so now we have to add 2 cups of milk into the instant pudding powder. I'm whisking the instant pudding for 2 minutes. Alright, so now our pudding is ready. Yum. And we're gonna refrigerate it for 30 minutes. So now we're gonna take all the frosting out of the Oreos and then we're gonna crush them up in the blender. Try to split it perfectly.
This is impossible.
That's why you get a knife. Ew! Do not do that! No! Eat that! No. You're gonna get it all wet.
Whatever.
Don't poem. These are Milano Double Dark Chocolate Pepper Ridge Farm cookies. We're using them as the ripstone tombstones.
We didn't get frosting, so we're just using a Sharpie, but this is what mine looks like. And this is BREE's. Next, we're gonna blend up the Oreos. All right, blend it.
Ready? You gotta flip them, that's why. Okay, so we just blended up the Oreos, and now we're gonna...
Pudding's ready.
So now we're gonna fold in actually is a cooking term. We're gonna fold in the clip into the pudding so that it's lighter and fluffier. Whipped cream. Now we're gonna fold. Oh, look at that. Now I'm folding in the whipped cream to the pudding. First, we are putting in some
That is good.
soil.
Soil.
Okay, we did 1/8 of a cup on the bottom of each one. Then we do a slop of this.
Just a slop.
Maybe not one slop.
Maybe 2 slops. So next, put your tombstone in the dirt. Then you get gummy worms.
Look how cute.
Can I put mine like sticking out of the ground?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Let's see how they taste.
It's too cute to eat. I'll go all the way down and screw up and out, but that's also kind of hard. Really good though.
Let us know if you think we should do more cooking vlogs.
It's pretty sweet. I don't know if we're the best at making desserts. Thank you guys for watching our cooking show. Now we're gonna skip over to the haunted house. Hey guys. Candy corn. Today we are going, well actually tonight, going to a haunted house, right? Is that what it is? Right?
It's a haunted plantation. It should be fun. It should be scary.
Spooky.
It should be spooky. So we went to the haunted house last night. It was pretty fun. It's pretty scary. They didn't let us film in there, which sucked, but it was still fun. And the last thing we're doing this week for our Halloween themed vlog is we're going to a pumpkin patch. We're gonna pick some pumpkins. I think there's free hay rides, so that's fun. Yeah, let's go check it out. Got some sick pumpkins.
Yeah.
Time to go carve. All right, so we got our pumpkins. We got our designs. Here's mine. I have the Hawaiian Islands with the University of Hawaii Rainbow Warriors logo right there. BREE is drawing hers right now.
I'm such a good drawer.
We don't have a printer, so we had to trace our drawings, but I think they actually turned out pretty good.
Here's mine. This is what I'm drawing. I messed it up, but it'll be better when I cook it.
All right, let's get started. Our pumpkins are all done. I think they turned out pretty good. Tell us what you think.
This is only my second one ever, so I got some help from Jeremy.
Oh, hey, let's turn the lights off and see what they look like in the dark.
Yeah.
Look at that. Thank you guys for watching this Halloween special. We'll see you guys next week for episode 10.